Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all so much for joining me today. My name is Guadalupe Arreola, and today I will be talking to you a little bit about my future company idea, Innovative Environmental Solutions. I want to take us to a project in Orlando, Florida at a small Air Force facility. The facility was closing down, and a team of engineers had been hired to remove the pollution that had entered the soil. This team decided to use potassium permanganate to chemically oxidize the pollution, and as you can see, they used way too much chemical. It ended up running into a nearby water body, reacting with the chemicals already in the water and turning the water pink. This is just one example of an environmental engineering solution that has gone wrong. There are countless more, and it is commonly acknowledged that environmental projects may solve the problem at hand, but oftentimes lead to downstream problems that require more money and resources to solve. When I look at what was going wrong with these projects, I can see three things that these firms are not doing. The first is that most current firms are not working with systems thinking in mind. They are focusing in on the problem, which does not work on something like the ecosystem where everything has a ripple effect into something else. The second problem I could see is that most firms gravitate towards mechanical or chemical solutions. In the Florida case, the team opted to use a chemical. This caused an even bigger issue for them. They could have chosen to remediate the area with phytoremediation or another natural solution, and this would have saved them a lot of money. Really all the environment needs from us is a little push, and it will do the rest of the work for us. Finally, the last problem is that most firms do not have after implementation monitoring, so when something goes wrong, they have no way of pinpointing what it exactly was, and this will lead to long and costly fixes. So these three problems are what Innovative Environmental Solutions wants to focus on with our business. We know there's a lot of competition, but we will give our customers the best price that will push them to choose our company, and we will help the ecosystem return to its more natural state. I wanted to just quickly go over this break-even analysis that was done for the company. If you look in the last box, you can see that we will break even with 1.5 projects, so we will definitely break even within our first year of being up and running. And as we continue to turn out a profit, we will grow our team and continue to bid for those bigger projects. So this concludes my presentation for today. Thank you all so much for listening in and learning a little bit more about innovative environmental solutions. Thank you.